Hi, I'm Papia. In this problem, we have some given ordered pairs and we have to determine whether the variation model that's represented by these ordered pairs is of the form y equals kx or y equals k divided by x. And then we have to find the value of the constant k and then write down the model. So what we can do is we can write a table and write down all these ordered pairs as x, y, and then try to figure out if y is directly related to x or inversely related to x. So the first point is 5, 1. So in the table, I'm going to put x values and y values. Okay, so when x is 5, y is 1. Next ordered pair is 10, 1/2. So x is 10 and y is 1/2. Third one is 15, 1/3. Fourth one is 20, 1/4. And the last one is x is 25 and y is 1/5. Okay, so let's look at the y values and let's see how we can relate it with this x value. Now, how can you get 1 using 5? Is it some constant times 5 or some constant divided by 5, right? And remember that same constant has to work for all the other values. So let's think about this next one, 1/2. Well, how can we write 1/2 using 10? Well, obviously, one way will be, why don't we write it as 5 divided by 10? That's 1/2, right? So we're using this 10 in the denominator. Well, question is, can we do the same thing for the rest of them? And can we use that same constant 5? So what about the first one? What about 1? Well, 1 can be written as 5 divided by 5, this 5. Okay, that works. How about the third column, 1/3? And we have x value is 15, so let's see, is it 5 divided by 15? Yes, it is. Same way, 1/4 is 5 divided by the x, that's 20, and 1/5 is also 5 divided by 25. It works, right? So, do you realize then how y is related to x? See, y is the constant 5 divided by x values, 5 divided by x. Therefore, which of these two models we are using? Of course, the second one, right? So, our answer is y is related to x this way. Y is equal to k divided by x, where what is the value of k? K is 5. And therefore, our model is y is equal to 5 divided by x. That completes the problem. Thank you.